Hi, I just wanted to leave a quick message to say thank you very much. We've passed 2 million views and about 20,000 followers, plus people, sending lots of kind messages and supportive thoughts and emails. I just want to say how much I appreciate the support and interest in my work. It helps keep me motivated to keep the lectures coming. So thanks to all of you. And know that I'm hard at work on next year's series. So next year's series, we're about a month away. We'll start on September the 20th, and I'll try and post that online as soon as possible, probably up by that weekend. And this year's title is The Transvaluation of All Values. Be exploring the history of our values, their current application, why they're sort of hopelessly out of date, and what we need to do to acquire new values for understanding our present world and for dealing with the world that's to come. But mostly I just wanted to say thanks to everybody for the kind comments and the interest in the work. And, oh yes, I forgot to mention, they're all up on Apple now, iTunes. So all the podcasts, all the lectures are up, or almost all the lectures are up as podcasts on iTunes. If you just search under Wes Cecil or Humane Arts, under podcasts, you should be able to find them there. People were requesting that, and so they're now available. So thank you very much. Hope you're having a wonderful summer. Next lecture will be up in about a month, Transvaluation of All Values.